Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So I'm going to go over and update you guys on OCGN. Again, had a major spike today, consolidated into close. I'm going to go over exactly which levels we are trying to hold above to contain this momentum. What exact indicators will give us confirmation on a continuation from here. And I'll ask in return as you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over OCGN with you guys here on the 4-hour chart. As you guys can see, we had that major spike today, looking to see if we can continue on with that momentum. But I do want to mention before we get started that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts of the day. We mentioned BTTX today halted at 1507, jumping all up to $29 on the day, almost 100% on that breakout. And I know a lot of people have been watching BKKT. BKKT is very risky. We had that breakout last week on Monday from $14.95, jumping all up to $56 on that day, over 200% on that breakout. And we mentioned ARTL in pre-market on their $4 price target, from $1 going all up to $1.33 on the day, over 30% on that breakout. And we did mention a couple weeks ago DWC and PHUN on those major breakouts, over 1500% on each one of those breakouts. So if you do want to see all of our breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert of the day again. So as you guys can see here on the 4-hour chart, we have the 20 moving average crossing above the 50 here, and we still do have the 20 moving average above the 50 here, which shows us that we could continue. Sure enough, did continue going to today. And again, we did mention $13 as our break point previously. As you guys can see, $13 has been a very key point. We did get rejected to the upside previously when we had this break from 1105, having that gap up to 13. And as you guys can see, we did get that wick to the downside, but however, we did bounce off the 200 moving average, looking to see if we can continue on with that momentum. Again, $13 is going to be very key for us to hold above going to this week, as we do have Jerome Powell on Wednesday. If we can hold over 13 and we can continue on with the momentum here on OCGN, then in my opinion, we could have a continuation all the way up to 1579, as we did mention previously, to have that gap up. Now, looking for that confirmation on that gap up, as you guys can see previously, we had this spike to 1579, and as you guys can see, we were trying to break above our previous buy pressure point that we did have at that point in time. So again, making sure we do get momentum to get that confirmation on that breakout is exactly what we're looking for here on OCGN. Now, again, I do like how we do have that increase in buy pressure points today, which gave us that confirmation on that continuation. But however, looking to see if we can break above that spike that we did have at 1579. Now, I will say this about OCGN is that we do need that COVAXIN news to get that confirmation above our previous and major breakout point here at 1870. Again, we will not get confirmation above our previous buy pressure point at 1870, in my opinion, if we do not get that approval on that COVAXIN news. Making sure we do set alerts here on the MACD will give us confirmation on that news before the news gets to us. So again, setting these alerts on the MACD is very key, especially on these type of news plays that are expected to come in soon. So again, if you do want to see all of our breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below. And as fast as I do talk, you will never miss a breakout alert again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel, all of you instables that have been kind of supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. As always, much love to every one of you guys. And if you do like this video, it does help other find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all. And I'll see you guys in the next video.